Hello! You're now on the Misrad Haklita platform. Once you're logged in with your credentials, you should be on this page. It's important to note that this interface is not available in English, French, or any other language. It's only in Hebrew, which can be a bit challenging, but that's why I'm here to guide you step by step. The first thing you need to do is go to the right side of the page. You'll see the MyGov section with several small icons. Click on the second icon with the little figure. That's the first step. Now for the second step, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can see the amount of money the Misrad Haklita has granted you. Once you're there, click on the link Lokol Hapratim, which corresponds to all your personal information. Now for the second step. Once you're on the section in your native language, this could be French, English, Spanish, etc., you can directly choose what applies to you. In this case, it's the request for a voucher. So, the voucher request is pretty simple. On the left side of your page, you'll see several icons under homepage like personal details, and all the way at the bottom, you'll find Hebrew studies. In the Hebrew studies section, there are several options. The first option is to choose between a public open and a private open. Of course, what we're interested in is the private open. Once you're in the private open section, there are 3 categories. The first category is the application to get a voucher. This is what we need today. You'll click on that, go through the checkboxes, and make sure to read all the terms and conditions carefully. Now, you'll have to choose the public open you previously attended, otherwise, you won't be eligible for the voucher unless you have extenuating circumstances like work, children, or other obligations. If that's the case, you can check box number 8 and explain why you can't attend the public open and request a voucher for a private open directly. This will be sent to the Misrad Haklita, and they'll be the ones to decide whether it's approved or not. Only they can give you a final answer. Now, the second category on this page is to request your first reimbursement. As you know, the total program costs 4,000 shekels, and you're eligible for a 2,000 shekel reimbursement at the beginning of the program and 2,000 shekels at the end. Here, you can apply for both the first and second reimbursement. It's quite simple. Click on the second icon, fill in the name of your open, the dates of your course, and upload the documents your open sent you after starting the program. Misrad Haklita will then reimburse the first part. For the second part, it's just as easy. Click on the third icon, submit the same information, open name, course start and finish dates, and finally, upload the documents your open will send you at the end of the program. And that's it.